Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using a Ledger Nano X. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or smartphone. Then, unlock it with your personal PIN code. Next, install the Ledger Live application and ensure your device's firmware is fully updated. This initial setup takes just a few minutes and prepares your device for secure transactions, ensuring optimal performance and safety for your digital assets. Once Ledger Live is open, navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will click on Add Account and then select Bitcoin from the comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies. The application will guide you through a few simple on-screen instructions to finalize the creation of your new Bitcoin account. This step is crucial for managing your Bitcoin securely within the Ledger ecosystem. To purchase Bitcoin, access the Buy/Sell section within Ledger Live. You will then select Bitcoin and choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit card. Enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to acquire. Finally, carefully review all transaction details on your Ledger Nano X device before proceeding, ensuring accuracy and security for your investment. The final step involves verifying the transaction details directly on your Ledger Nano X screen. Once confirmed, approve the transaction by simultaneously pressing both physical buttons on your device. Within moments, your newly purchased Bitcoin will be securely sent to your Ledger account. This process ensures your digital assets are stored offline, providing maximum security against online threats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.